read your name in the bright lights. I thought I saw your photograph, having such a laugh in a magazine. Did it all come tumbling down? And you were made for the big time. They said you're a star to be in the enemy, but the walls came tumbling down, down. Will you go down on me? 'Cause Annie, you're a star that's just not going very far. No, the world will know your name, and you'll be famous as you are. 'Cause I'll sing for you. Would it be nice to be recognized? Did you practice your autograph? But now no one's asked, and it's such a shame that the dreams are